Wait, I just noticed.
Dude, I'm going 214.
Here.
Whoa!
What's up, everybody?
Oh, this guy came in here.
What's up, everybody? Today
Go
we're
to
gonna
222. Go to 222.
What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Horror Button in Roblox. Yes, I started the recording again.
God bless.
God bless you. Got him.
I'm gonna sit
Guys,
that way.
this is the ASMR.
What is so horrifying about? Oh.
Where?
Tell me that.
Is this like the mimic?
Oh.
Wee! No, press it.
Oh.
Guys, this is how you commit suicide. Omeda, wee!
This is how you survive.
Uh-oh.
Well, at least I jumped before it could kill me.
Wait, did you actually commit?
Yeah, no, I jumped before it could kill me.
You didn't commit Omeda, wee?
No, I don't.
Bruh.
Wait, dude, I made it. I'm in the building. I'm in a building.
Commit Omeda, wee.
Yeah, it's quite Omeda. Omeda? Wee! Omeda? Wee! Omeda? Wee!
I see.
Well, we're here. Dude, oh, it just went black. Oh, okay, give me that button. Give me that button.
No. Oh, whoa. No, please. Yes.
No art
I'm in the tree. I'm in the tree.
How?
Commit error in our town.
Dude, I'm in the house.
Dude, can you commit error in our town?
Commit error. Hey, Jeff the Killer. Go commit
Jeff the
error
Killer. Ah!
Dude, you said Omeda?
Yes, I did say Omeda wee.
Click. Click.
Commit
I can see, look up, you can see something.
This is the Ricky Rat elevator. Excuse me?
You can open? Never mind.
When the imposter
Honestly,
is
that
sus.
wasn't very scary.
When the imposter is sus. What the f—
Oh!
Oof.
That's not even letting us spawn, basically. That's just like
the button.
Oh, wait,
zombies.
That's zombie biz.
Where'd you go? No.
Wait, go on the building.
We get on the tree. Yes, I'm a cat.
You can only come up here if you ever commit Omadawi. Yeah.
Got him.
How does Mans get up there?
No, I'm dead. I'm so dead. I am so dead.
You're so not dead. Here you go.
That's Slenderman. That's Slenderman. That's so Slenderman. Dude, that's Slenderman.
Me, my very self is alive.
Dude, is it when the imposter is sus?
Yeah, no, this is when the imposter is sus.
When the imposter is sus.
When the imposter is sus. Bing, 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 bing.
I'm going, is that Slenderman or is it Slenders? Dude, is it Slenderman or Slenders?
It's Slender.
Is it Slenders?
Oh! We cannot make that jump. Omida? Wait, I think you can't die if you're on the button. The button has a platform. The button has its own platform. You can't die on the button.
Yes! Get on it! Look up.
This is from a movie, and I know it. Because I watched the movie. I watch movies.
Guys, this is how you beat Epic Gamer Part 1.
Are scared cats. I'm in. Whoa.
There. Got it.
Got it. People want to be it. Dude, but Dylan.
Where's
They
the
gonna
class?
attack him?
Where's
Ooh.
the ah!
Oh my god.
Dude, I just screamed into the
Dude, that,
mic.
we accidentally just commit oh my god, we.
Oh, go down.
Click
Arrgh.
it.
Oh, snap.
Dylan, we need to go.
We're in the back rooms. Where are you?
Dylan, where are you going? I know.
ALonso!
Dude, Dylan, I know. Wait. Wait a ding ding darn. Ooh. -1. -2 smiley face.
Is that Slender Man or is it Slenders?
It's Slender Man.
Oh, it's Slender.
-4. 2 and
Yeah.
1, 2, 4.
You might want to not go down there.
It wasn't very scary.
Yeah, I don't see you, man. She was saying Zoe. I'm gonna add a filter. Should I add a filter?
No.
Yes.
No.
What is audio input capture? What's this? Bam.
Oh,
Audio input capture. Sheesh. Sheesh. Wah pow pow. Bay function.
Dylan, we should really be going. We should get going, Dylan.
Yeah.
We
Wah
should
pow pow. Bay function.
You know, I'm hopping in the bed.
Wah. Bam, 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 bam.
This is very scary.
Is it because Russia?
No, it's Russia. Send me out. Oh, those houses are
Or is
ruined.
it Rasputin?
Russia. Send me out your Russia.
Stop it! I'm gonna play the Spider-Man theme to the pizza theme, the Spider-Man pizza theme too.
Dylan, let's go in 222. Like always.
No, I'm gonna go in the abyss. See what happens. No.
Abyss. Oh,
God!
Oh, wait.
Okay.
That's what was meant to be scary.
Okay. How's this scary?
It's just funny.
Russia.
That's not even scary. That's funny.
Oh God.
I'm gonna auto click.
I'm auto clicking.
Russia. Send me out your
I can't click very fast when I'm holding.
What happened to your Robux outfit, Robux?
My Robux outfit? I like this outfit because it's the first outfit I ever had.
I like the crow outfits.
How did I get? Ooh.
Oh, yes, Dylan, this time I'm gonna need you to beat it. Because
I'm gonna make you pump like that. No. Okay, don't make it pump like that. Don't commit Russia.
Stop the recording. We're not gonna play this game anymore.
No, I'm still playing it.
Stop the recording.
No.
Yes.
No.
We're not playing this game anymore.
No.
I'm leaving then.
You're leaving the
You
call?
don't leave, then I leave.
Are you leaving the call?
Dude, find us a good gum. Good gum.
What if
good
I
gum.
put an image?
Here, go in the good gum. Go in the good gums. Never mind. If you look like this, don't approach me. Okay, get to the wall. Wait, look up. If you are here, you are unlucky.
Just get to the wall.
Okay, wait.
Here, hold on. I need a.
Go on this side because you can't die. Makes it so you don't die.
Pictures. Okay, maybe we can die.
Come on. I died. Click that button, bro. Click that button. Who clicked it?
Dude, this is
Where
my
am
face cam. I
Where
now
am
have
I?
a face cam. There, that's my face cam.
Where am I? I don't know where I am.
You're in. Dude, I now have a face cam. I don't know how, but I have a face cam now.
How do you not know that you have a face, man?
Because I just put in an image of a duck.
Dude, Dylan, don't forget. Do not press the horror button.
There.
Don't do it.
Dude, that's my face cam now. I now have a face
You
cam.
have a face cam?
Yeah, no, it's not. It's not like a real face cam. It's like, it's a duck. It's a picture of a duck.
Russia, dude, Russia.
No.
Yes.
Why do you want me to put the flag of Russia?
Because of Russia.
No.
Well, I'm not even Russian, but I mean.
Oh, I just spawned right on the button. Ah, snap, zombie.
Get out of here.
How to be epic gamer part 2. How to be epic gamer.
He commit all Malawi. He said, I don't want Malawi. That's why Malawi. Dude, I'm hiding in a bush and he can't find me.
I'm hiding in the bullshit. Oh snap.
That wasn't Malawi.
Russia.
Okay, get up the ladders. Get up the ladders, Dylan. Get up the ladders.
Yeah, is this how you be
Maybe
so?
I'll see something cool if you do.
Wait, is this how you be cool, guy?
Dude, get up the ladders and you'll see something really cool.
Guys, if you're wondering how to be
Russia.
or how to be your name is the cool guy, you just gotta be cool, man. You know?
And
You
I
gotta,
don't need
you know, you
this.
gotta go to
Gosh.
school. You gotta get, you know, you gotta be in 3rd grade, which I'm in 3rd grade. You gotta be cool. That's how you do it.
You need to be the cool guy.
Yeah.
Dude, I made it to the top. You need to get to the top so you can see Dead Builder Man.
I got it. I'm at the top.
Look, I'm gonna make you pump like that. Over here. Come on, Dead Builder Man.
I'm gonna make you pump.
He's dead. I'm gonna walk on his body.
Oh man.
Oh man.
I gotta end the
I
video.
can be the owner of Roblox. I guess I can be the owner of
Russia.
Look, the button over here.
Oh
Yeah,
god.
this is why we don't talk about over here. Dylan, wait, Dylan, I might be at the actual top. I'm gonna make you pump. He's coming, wait, put right there. No, wait.
No, Jeff the killer. Jeff the killer is Jeff.
I wasn't prepared. Please. Wait, over that? Wait. Oh, you, Dylan, commit die.
Come and go on top of the house.
Commit die for all I care. Omega? Whee!
Alright, I gotta end the video now.
Alright.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, guys. Bye.
Bye,
I
guys.
want you here.